I'm making this video without being biased and to share things you should know before spending huge amount of money on iPhone 16 Pro unlike I have done. And if Apple Intelligence is your focus, then you shouldn't buy this iPhone 16 yet due to the reasons I've shared later in the video. No device is perfect, but it seems like despite having great little features such as audio and microphone, Apple has released an unfinished product in pursuit of AI. We'll begin with the most hyped feature of all, a gimmick for most, camera control button, which also didn't come with all the promised features, such as locking exposure and focus by tapping and holding the button. But the ones it came with are surely not easy to use for most people. Firstly, you have to make sure your fingers are at the right spot to use the slider or the intensity of press it requires to switch modes. For me, it's been almost impossible to use with one hand. I guess it's a feature intended for both hands. The slider isn't as smooth where your muscle memory can adapt to it. Maybe if you keep using for a long time, it will eventually. On top of that, if you unintentionally press the button, the entire middle area becomes unresponsive except opening apps, which is odd because Apple is very good at ignoring unintentional touches on screen. But this isn't something which will happen quite often, and you can adjust the press in settings, and in doing so you can hit the subscribe button as well. Next up are the severe heating issues when recording videos. Doesn't matter if you're recording in 4K or HD, whether you are outside under the sun or inside at room temperature, the iPhone 16 Pro will get hot. I conducted tests in all the cases. I put it on 4K recording at room temperature, and after 30 minutes of recording, the temperature was about 42 degrees, jumping from 32 degrees, with a drop of 15% battery. So I switched to HD, where it had battery drop of 16% with 40 minutes of recording, but temperature shot up to 42 degrees for that as well. Then I decided to record 4K video under the sun. The temperature was around 20 degrees outside, so not too hot, and the temperature shot up over 44 degrees for iPhone 16 Pro after 30 minutes of recording, and the device was not comfortable to hold given how warm it had become. I also investigated several reports of macro mode glitches. I didn't face any of those issues. For me, the camera transitions smoothly between macro and normal mode. However, what doesn't seem to be going according to the plan is the Apple Intelligence. I'd suggest that if you were buying iPhone for that, then you should wait until you are sure of what is going to be released and what isn't. Because Apple wasn't going to release all the features of AI as Genmoji in coming weeks anyways. But now there seems to be a rift between Apple and ChatGPT, whom Apple Intelligence was supposed to be in collaboration with. This year seems like Apple has rushed and screwed up the reputation built over years, and that's why iPhone 16 sales are reported to be dropped by 12% when compared to iPhone 15. If the issues mentioned above are not something you care deeply about, then surely go ahead and get iPhone 16 because it has a lot of great little features to offer, and I'll be dropping a video of some hidden features of iPhone 16 Pro soon. So subscribe and see you there.